In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite a contact in Gmail, a handy trick to keep your most important contacts easily accessible and just a click away. To get started, you'll first need to open your Gmail. Once you're there, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a series of icons there, including ones for the calendar, keep, and tasks. Among these, you should see the icon for contacts. This is what we'll be working with today. Go ahead and click on the contacts icon. This will open up a new tab dedicated to managing all your contacts. Once you're on the contacts tab, it's time to find the person you want to favorite. Browse through your list or search for them directly. Select the contact you'd like to make a favorite by clicking on their name. This will bring up more details about the contact and a menu of options for what you can do next. Now, look towards the top of the screen. Here, you'll see various actions you can perform, and among these options is a star icon. This star is what we're focusing on today. All you need to do is click the star icon, and just like that, you've marked this contact as a favorite. The star will now be filled in, indicating that this contact has been successfully added to your list of favorites. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quickly and easily mark a contact as a favorite in Gmail, making it more convenient to access those you communicate with most often. Favoriting contacts is especially useful when you have a long list of contacts and want to streamline your main list so that your most important correspondences are always within reach. A little tip here: favoriting a contact doesn't only make them easier to find in Gmail, but it can also help when syncing contacts across other Google services or devices. This way, the people you need to reach most are prioritized wherever you go. So don't hesitate to make full use of this simple yet effective tool. You can favorite as many contacts as you'd like, and likewise, unfavorite them at any time by simply clicking on the star again to clear it. Now you've got this powerful tool under your belt, ready to enhance your Gmail experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your communications a bit smoother. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, or if there's something else you'd like to learn about Gmail, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy emailing,